let's talk about Polaris Xpedition ADV rear grab handles. So there's 3 rear grab handles on the market that I know of, the 3 that we sell. I'm just gonna kind of go over some differences on them just so you guys have an idea what's out there on the market. So first one is the BeesFab 3D printed grab handle, and it has the 3M VHB on the back. So super durable, this sticks to your window really well, super strong. I've actually stepped on this handle, so don't be concerned that it's 3D printed. But best bang for your buck is definitely the BeesFab 3D printed handle for the back. Another good option is Elektric Offroad Designs. Also has the 3M VHB on the back. But the cool thing I like about theirs is you can see it's actually tapered to match the angle of the rear window. When this goes on your rear window, it's totally horizontal to the ground, which is just kind of a cool aspect that no one else has thought of or done. So cool option there from Elektric Offroad Design. And the third option is the Geiser Performance. Also has the double-sided tape on the back. Just a super clean look. It's got like a I don't know, ridge design for your hand, so super comfortable. Nice black billet design. So 3 different options: 3D printed from BeesFab, billet from Elektric, and billet from Geiser. So check out the link below to see the options. Definitely something you need for your ADV, so you don't have to grab the locks to get in and out. This just goes dead center and makes it a lot easier to get in and out of your car.